are you doing? What did you do that for? Why? He's been saved! He's been saved!
Oh! Get me saving him, Dad! Get me saving him! Get me saving him! Oh! Get saved!
Yeah.
It's cold in the thumb.
Why?
And when you're chanting,
Why would they do that?
Your son. Your son.
Why?
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 I don't
I said this is your son.
Pickup time! It's pickup time!
Gotta go, Pamela.
Andrea, can you take our family photo? Larry, come back here. Oh, wait.
Okay, so we need the old people. We need Pam and Lori, Debbie and Larry, Jeff and
Tell them
Jeff.
the Metzgers.
Where's Della?
Metzgers. We need Peterson and Metzgers.
Oh, nice fleet-footed, Bradley. That's on tape. We caught that on tape.
Can we sing the kindergarten pickup song?
All the Metzgers out here.
Parker's feeling the love. LDD. Brian, I can't be responsible forever.
Some saving. We did some saving today.
How did you convince him to go in the water?
Well, once we start chanting, LJ, once we started chanting LJ, once we got Mom to chant, we can't say no.
Let's do it. I'm cold. Let's go
All
inside.
right, get in there. Come on out. Old people, that's us, Becky.
Where are we going?
It's everybody else but Becky and I. We're not the old people.
Let's go then. Let's go.
Come on, bring up.
There's Della.
Just the pictures with their families.
Okay, where's Stella?
Or Dad and LJ are both like,